Alright, so we are going to take the sides and back of this haircut nice and short, and we're going to leave a little bit of length on top, and we're going to take it down a little bit as well up there. But the very first thing I'm going to do is take my clippers and just get rid of a lot of the bulk just to get started on the haircut. This is going to speed up the process, and then once the bulk is removed, then I can go ahead and address the haircut without having to deal with as much hair, simply for the fact that we're going to take it off anyway. Now, if we were going to leave the hair a little bit longer, of course, I would not be taking the clippers to it just to remove bulk. I would just address it accordingly. But in this case, since we are taking it short, I might as well just remove a lot of this bulk quickly so that we can then dive into the rest of the haircut and just save on some time. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is, now that I've got a lot of that bulk removed, I'm going to start to do the upper half of the sides and back with my fingers. And I'm just going through, and you can see I'm just removing a lot of the hair right there, holding it through my fingers. And this is basically just taking wherever I left off with the clippers and cutting a square shape throughout the upper half of the sides and back. Alright, so now you can see I've got the clippers back in my hand. I don't have a guard this time, and what I'm doing is I'm going through and addressing the hairline. I'm just cleaning it up to make it nice and clean, and I'm going to work my way from the right side all the way around the head to the left side. Alright, so not a whole lot to explain here other than the fact that we are just simply trimming the bangs. My model did want to keep a little bit of length on top, but we also wanted to make sure that the bangs did not fall down in his eyes. Alright, so even though we are keeping length on top, I did want to layer it just so it's not long and heavy. We want to keep it light so that he's able to style it easy. So we're going to keep some length up there but layer through it so that he can brush back his hair without a lot of problems. If we kept it longer without layering it, then it becomes very heavy. Even though he might be able to brush it back throughout the day, oftentimes heavy hair ends up falling. So by layering it, it's going to keep it lighter and prevent the likelihood of the hair falling down. Here is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank each and every one of you again for watching.